is our inner elbow. This is our inner elbow. You are going to put your nose there, like this. Can you try it? Inner elbow to your nose. Now watch. Ha-choo! Can you try it? Now let's do it together. Ready?